In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link to share files. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just trying to send a large file to a friend, Google Drive makes sharing easy and efficient. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step so you know exactly what to do. First, you need to start by accessing your Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. This will take you to the homepage of Google Drive, where all of your files and folders are stored. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Just enter your email and password and you're ready to go. Remember, your Google account is your key to accessing all things Google. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, navigate to the file or folder that you want to share. You have a variety of options here, and it's important to select the correct one to ensure you're sharing the right content. If it's a file, simply click on it to select it. If it's a folder, you can also click on it, but make sure you want to share everything inside that folder. After selecting the file or folder, right-click to bring up a context menu. On this menu, you'll see an option labeled Get Link. Clicking on this will open a new window where you can adjust the sharing settings. This step is crucial because it determines how much access others will have to your shared file or folder. In the Sharing Settings window, you'll see a field labeled Anyone with the link. By default, it may be set to restricted, meaning only selected individuals can view the content. To change this, click on the drop-down menu next to it. Here, you have a few options, like allowing people to view, comment, or even edit the file or folder. Choose the permissions that best suit your needs. For most general sharing purposes, setting it to Anyone with the link can view is sufficient. Once you've adjusted the settings to your liking, click the Copy Link button. This action copies the generated link to your clipboard, making it easy for you to paste it anywhere you need. Whether it's an email, a direct message, or an input field on a website, this link is ready to share. Lastly, don't forget to hit Done to close the Sharing Settings window. And that's it. You've successfully created a shareable Google Drive link. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently share files or entire folders with anyone, anywhere, at any time. Just remember to review the sharing permissions each time to ensure you're comfortable with who can access your information. I hope this guide was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy sharing!